Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw an awesome-looking vintage camper van, step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body. First up, we're going to sketch a big rectangle. Add smooth curves and sharp corners like the image to create a basic outline. Step 2. Add the wheels. Add 2 semicircles with 2 small circles inside to form the wheels. Step 3. Add the doors and windscreen. Time to slide in a door and add a windscreen. Add a horizontal line along the center of the van and draw 2 vertical lines at the bottom part to form the doors. Sketch a small curvy at the front for the windshield. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Add the rooftop. A reinforced roof is a must. Add a rectangle again. Round the corners and it's ready. Step 5. Add the windows. Let's add some windows to let that sunshine in. Draw horizontal and vertical lines with rounded corners. Step 6. Add details. Add the door handles, headlights, bumpers. These details are the cherry on top. And don't forget that tent on the roof. Step 7. Draw the background. Add wavy lines for rough roads and treetops for some shade. Be creative with the background to make your drawing more realistic. Final touch. Adding color. Grab those crayons, markers, or paints. It's time to give our camper van colors. From the wheels to the windows, let your colors fly. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw vintage camper van. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.